All right. Here we are, Engineering 2. I'm going to introduce the train project here. We're actually in class now. You guys want to say hi? Salud. Maybe you heard your classmate there. I'm just introducing the train project really quick, recording this. So go to the class, Engineering 2, topics. All right. There it is, train engine project. I'm going to be looking at the whiteboard here too. So those of you that are remote, whoa, it's like a picture in a picture. I'm up there and here. Be looking. Oh, it's tripping out on the front screen there. Um, so the idea here is to replicate all of these train parts. You can ignore the paragraph. Believe it or not, that list is kind of helpful just to make sure you've done everything. So there ends up being 9 pieces. You can see the assembly there. You guys see how it all goes together? That's the point. No, I just wanted to say that on film. All right. There's the train there, full assembly. It's got 9 pieces. You don't need, if it's the same piece and it's put in there 4 times like the wheels, you only model it once, obviously, right? You start with a train body and you go from there. All right. Everybody does the train body first. Some of these pegs here, this is the pages are kind of messed up. This is part 4 is the hitch peg. That's actually this one. These are actually a little harder to make than you think. This arc up here, this is not a fillet. You don't do a fillet. You actually want to draw this shape and then revolve it. But you get to figure out that arc is a little bit tricky. I'll probably demonstrate that one. The wheel too, that one's a little tricky as well. That one starts with a revolve by drawing this shape here, the cross-sectional shape. All right. My in-class people, you should be paying attention. This is for you guys really. I'm just recording it to post for. No, I know, but try to follow along with it. All right. So this cross-sectional shape here, you're going to draw that and revolve it around an axis, offset a little bit from the axis, and put the peg. I definitely recommend starting with the train body. The cow catcher, you're going to make that shape. That's going to require a loft. All right. Some of you may not remember how to do a loft. We'll have to go over that. So we're going to loft it, shell it, and then do some of the other stuff. So you actually shell it the second step after you loft it and make the solid. So you get that open thing going there. And then you assemble it, which is going to be another video. So this will probably take a couple videos to get this going. All right. So this will be the intro. I'm going to stop the remote video from here. Stop it right here. And then I'm going to help these guys. So again, start with a train body, make that, and then keep going. A couple things on the train body to point out. That back arc, right? You're going to make basically an L first and extrude that. And then you need to round off the top of the L from the back of it. And if you see, there's a little hole for a peg, for the attachment, magnet peg. And that little hole is 0.375 inches from the bottom. And then basically you're going to do a cut extrusion to cut off the top of the train. And the radius of the circle you use is going to be 2.35 inches. I'll probably make a video of that operation and post it. I might get a few parts together and make one video that kind of shows tips on a few different parts of the trickier parts. But see what you can figure out. All the corners are filleted. You don't see that in the drawing though, right? It says, where does it say that? Note, all edges are 0.1 except for drilled holes. So that means they're all filleted, which you can actually see up in the assembly view here. All right? All right. Talk to you later, remote people. Have a good one.